Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Sennheiser Accentum True Wireless Earbuds, anything in the model series ATW1, and you need to do a hard factory reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to your Bluetooth, or if they're not syncing with your device, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, only get out of one ear basically, anything like that, and you've tried a soft reset, a power cycle on it, and it didn't fix the issue, you're going to want to go ahead and just do this factory reset. And the second reason you might want to do this, and you'll have to do this either way, is if you just want to set these headphones up as a new set of headphones on a new device and just have them forget everything they were paired with in the past. So you can set them up like they're just coming out of the box. We can do this really easily. All we need to do on this is, first thing you need to do is just go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off and delete them from whatever devices you've had these paired with in the past, because this won't work if they're trying to pair with devices they've been paired with in the past. So once that's done, then you can just go ahead and take one of the earbuds out of the case and close the case, so the other earbud will stay inside the case and the other one's out with the case closed and the other one's outside of the case. And then you're just going to press and hold the touch control panel on the earbud that is not in the case for 15 seconds until the LED on the earbud starts to blink red and green alternatively, which is just showing that that earbud is now reset and in pairing mode. The next thing we want to do is take the second one out of the case once we've done that, and then do the same thing on that. Press and hold for 15 seconds until it starts to go green and red, blinking green and red. And once that happens, they'll go ahead and pair with each other and they've been reset, and then you can go ahead and set these up as a brand new set of earbuds.